हेलो हेलो। अच्छा जी, अभी हम जा रहे हैं शोरूम और अपना जो नया हैवी बाइक है Kawasaki ZX6R 2025, I'm gonna receive it today. Really excited. Oh my god. I'm really excited, literally. Let's see how it goes now. काफ़ी टेंशन भी हो रही है. Yeah, mix a roller coaster of emotions right now. Stay tuned. So, I just reached to the showroom. Let me show you. Just a minute. So this is the Kawasaki one, and that's Ducati. On the left side is Ducati, and on the right side is BMW and Kawasaki. Sorry, BMW. Let me introduce you to the new motorbike.
Now